Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple and powerful Instagram marketing strategy perfect for beginners. Whether you want to grow your personal brand, a business page, or a side hustle, this 7-minute guide will give you everything you need to get started. Let's jump right in. Instagram is still one of the top platforms for building a brand, connecting with your audience, and driving real results. With reels, stories, and shopping features, it's not just for pretty photos anymore, it's a full business platform. In 2025, authentic content plus a smart strategy equaled real growth. Let's build yours. First step, set up your foundation. Switch to a professional account. It's free. Just go to your profile, then settings, then personal account. Then from here, select business tools, then switch to personal to professional account. Write a clear, focused bio for you help plus what you offer. Add a profile link either to your website link tree or a free product page. Use a high quality, recognizable profile picture. Think of your profile like your homepage. It should make a great for impression instantly. You can't market to everyone. You need to know your audience. Who are they? Age, age, interests, problems they face. What kind of content do they love? Like tutorials, memes, or inspiring stories, or motivational speech. When are they online? Use Instagram Insights. Once you have data, go to dashboards, then click Insights, then choose content, select a content, and preview your Instagram Insights. The clever you are, and the clearer you are about your audience, the easier it is to create content they actually care about. Content is the heart of Instagram marketing. Here's a simple formula. Use reels for reach, like short vertical videos are the fastest way to grow. Use stories for engagement, show behind the scenes, polls, daily updates. Use posts for building authority, tips, quotes, product showcases. Follow the 80 by 20 rule, like add 80% valuable content or 20% promotions. Consistency is key, but don't burn yourself out. Aim for 3 to 4 posts per week. Post at least 3 to 5 stories every day. Schedule your posts in advance using free tools like Business Suite. And remember, quality, quantity. One great reel beats 10 boring posts. Instagram is a two-way street, not just post and ghost. Reply to every comments and DM. Engage with similar accounts like comments, share their posts genuinely. Use Instagram's notes and broadcast channels features. to stay connected with your followers. The more you interact, the more Instagram algorithm will favor your account. Hashtags still matter in 2025, but be smart about it. Mix bold hashtags with niche hashtags like hashtag email marketing for coaches. Use 5 to 10 relevant hashtags per post. Write captions that encourage action, ask a question, or invite followers to comments. Don't just dump hashtags, place them neatly at the end of your caption. Finally, what gets measured gets improved. Use Instagram Insights to see what's working. Looking at reach, saves, shares, and website clicks, not just likes. Double down on the content that gets results and tweak what doesn't. Remember, Instagram success isn't overnight. It's about consistent testing, learning, and improving. Check your message inbox from here, the notifications. You can explore all content from here. You can add reel from the reel section. Click go to post and you can share others reels from here and go to home, click create or a new post. And that's it now. You have a simple beginner friendly Instagram marketing strategy to start growing today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more marketing tips, and comment below what niche you are in. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.